Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to share Hostinger account access. So if you want to give access to your web designer or web developer, you can do it very easily by following this video. So let's see how we can do it. With the help of this feature, you can easily add a web designer or web developer to your Hostinger account and they can manage your websites. So to do this, from the Hostinger hPanel, click on your account icon and then click on account sharing. Now from here I am going to select grant access. Click on grant access again. At first we need to add the email address. After that we can select the permission roles. You can go with the admin or collaborator. If you select admin, then the user will be able to make purchases using the added payment method. But if you select collaborator, they will not able to make purchases. They can only manage services. So I will select collaborator and after that we will select the service. You can select all or you can select a specific service. I will select my web hosting and domain and then click on grant access. And as you can see that email has been sent. And now if I go to my second email, here I will see the message and after that I can create the Hostinger account and use the services that are granted to me. So this is how you can share Hostinger account access. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.